The Events Log feature in WP Ghost was created to give you a critical overview of any user actions that might affect your website's security and integrity. This feature is especially useful if any account is breached, as you can easily track any actions taken from that compromised account. To get started, navigate to the Plugin Overview section and activate. Once activated, go to the Events Log settings. Here, you'll have the option to select which user roles you want to monitor. By default, all user roles are selected for monitoring, but you can customize this as needed. When you've chosen the roles to monitor, remember to save your settings. Once activated, WP Ghost will log a wide range of actions such as logins, post additions, edits, deletions, plugin installations, and removals. This ensures you have a comprehensive log of critical events on your website. To prevent your WordPress database from becoming too large, WP Ghost doesn't store these logs locally. Instead, all actions are securely stored on WP Ghost Cloud for 30 days. After 30 days, logs are automatically deleted by the system. You can filter events by specific user actions and view details like IP addresses, country, paths accessed, usernames, and plugin names associated with each action. All of this information is also accessible from your WP Ghost Cloud dashboard, where you have the same filters and detailed view options for easy remote monitoring. And that's it. With the events log in WP Ghost, you have a powerful tool for monitoring activity and keeping your website secure.